Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I'm always looking for ways to boost my immune system, and this supplement by Nature's Bounty is by far my favorite vitamin C. I love the supplement because it offers 24-hour protection with vitamin C, but also D, zinc, elderberry, echinacea. So I just love that I'm getting all that goodness for my immune system. It has a super easy pop top, and the pills themselves are kind of large, but they are coated, so they're super easy for me to swallow. They're a rapid release design. In fact, I have had other vitamin C's that were not coated that were much smaller and much more difficult for me to swallow. So I find that I have no issue taking these at all. It makes it super easy to keep my immune system nice and strong. I love incorporating this vitamin C into my daily routine, and I really feel like it helps me to feel my best and to keep my immune system nice and strong. But that's just my point of view.